regulations and controls, this country will end up being like some countries now we are seeing. It's like every day there is issue of murder, shooting, and all that kind of situation. So I want to ask honorable members, if we are to save this country, we must save our young people. We must save our young generation. We must speak this with one voice. Gambling needs to be regulated, and seriously regulated. We have to look at the underlying of the issue associated with gambling, stealing. We have performance of our children in schools, etc., etc. So, Mr. Speaker, this is a very important motion. We really need to bring a lot of implementation concept into it, and I'm sure Mr. Maina will look at this. I thank you, because through this motion and many others, like the ones that we have been discussing this morning, we will be able to save our future generation. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
The MP for Kitutu Masaba, the Honorable Cliff Gisairu.